Okay guys, I am just finished working and I am heading inside of Malibu's eating some Asian food. Okay. Hi. Oh, I just dining one.
Or a booth or a table?
It don't matter. Let me just give her a couple of them. Sure, thanks. I've ordered some wonton soup. It came with two. There's green vegetables, carrots, green onion, Chinese pork. Okay, let's shot that one time. Yep, the wonton has like nice breading to it. The noodle has the meat. Good.
Chili paste or hot oil to go with the rice?
No, I just put them on the side, I guess. Yep. The wonton soup is good. I think the wonton soup it is good, but I feel like it needs a little bit more wontons into it. You are better off, like, eating at other Chinese restaurant. I feel like ordering wonton. The wonton soup it is a little bit spicy to it. I like how the carrots are in the soup with it. The soup it is salty. I'm gonna give the wonton soup a rating of Okay, the fried rice does look really good though. It has a little bit of peas, carrots, bean sprouts, mushrooms, glistening, chicken, his eggs, okay, the fried rice does look really good. Once I have, put the fried rice in my mouth, if I have the texture of the rice and a little bit of a soy sauce in there, it's good. You have this like mouthful of rice. It has really good texture to it. You have the textures of the rice and fresh bowls at the end, and some crunchy, little bit of crunchy vegetables at the end. I like how the rice and the vegetables and the chicken, it goes well together. I'm gonna give the rice good. Okay, let's see how this tea is. I had the white tangerine, white tea blended with Valencia orange peels. Pretty good. Has a little bit of tea flavored in there. Has a little bit of orange flavor in there. Once you drink out of it, it has a little bit of minty flavor. It's like a mint, mint flavor. Overall, I think like the rice and the tea is good, but I think the price is not not that good. Everything is good. Okay guys, if you guys like this video, like and subscribe for more of my videos. Okay guys, this is located in Columbus, Ohio. It is in the mall. Okay guys, if you guys have one more information, it's gonna be down below of this video. Okay guys, this is Trader's Quest. See ya.